wanted to visit, Widge, I can use your help storing all these supplies.
Yep, lot of boxes.
Defending cyberspace from hacker takes lots and lots of supplies.
Motherboard's the best, right?
The best! But I'm glad spring cleaning only happens once every cyber year. Ugh, this one's really heavy. Must weigh a lot.
Good job, Didge.
You too, Widge. I love making Motherboard happy.
She's gonna be so proud of you. You'll see.
Hope so.
All done?
Just like you wanted, Mother Bee.
Thank you, Digit. You too, Widget. Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
But it's still rather messy.
It is?
See if you can make it a little more organized. Remember what happened last year?
I'm so sorry I lost that special photograph of you with the Cyber Squad. I have no idea what happened to it. I'll find it one day. You'll see. Don't worry, Mother Bee. I'll clean up the mess right away. I'll be the most organized cyboid in cyberspace.
Me too.
I'm sure you will.
Oh boy, she's right, you know. This place is a mess.
And it's all my fault. We need to make it right, but how?
Well, what would Jackie say?
You need a plan.
She's right. We gotta have a plan.
You heard that?
Of course. Come on, Didge. We can do this.
A plan. A plan. We need a plan. Oh! I've got it. Let's start by arranging the boxes by color.
Sounds like a plan to me. Let's make Motherboard proud.
Boxes, boxes, heavy and light.
Some are short and some have height.
Boxes, boxes, heavy and light.
Some are short and some have height.
Okie dokie. All organized by color.
Motherboard is gonna be so impressed.
Looking good and feeling good. Huh.
Not looking so good now.
Oh, getting organized isn't easy.
Can we check with Jackie again?
What do we do next, Jax?
Well, what do you know?
We know the boxes fell on top of each other.
But why?
Jackie always asks good questions.
I think it's all about how much the boxes weigh. Some are heavier, and others are lighter.
Exactly. The heavier boxes made all the boxes under them collapse because they were lighter.
Which, you're a genius.
I have a good role model.
So let's do the opposite and see what happens. Put the bigger, heavier boxes on the bottom, smaller, lighter boxes on the top.
There's a great big box right there.
Okay, let's see what happens if we put that one on the bottom and this smaller one on top of it. What's in this small box? Rocks?
Small box on big box, light on heavy. Good job, Didge.
Feathers? I guess just because a box is big doesn't mean it's heavy.
And just because a box is small doesn't mean it's light.
It all depends on what's inside.
Correct. You tested your theory and found your answer. Well done.
Let's start stacking.
Heavier boxes on the bottom.
Lighter boxes on top.
But remember, the boxes still need to balance or they'll fall over again.
We did
tell Motherboard.
Wait, we missed a red box.
Not too heavy, not too light. A place in the middle would be just right.
Good one, Ditch.
Huh? What's that? Look! Motherboard's missing photo!
Good job, Ditch.
Nothing like a perfectly organized storage room.
Thanks, Mother Bee. We organized the boxes by color, but made sure the lightest boxes are on top and the heaviest on the bottom.
Weight is full of surprises, isn't it?
But we found out that just because a box is small doesn't mean it's light.
And just because a box is big doesn't mean it's heavy. You have to feel the weight of a box, too.
You make a good team. I'm very proud of both of you.
Thanks, Motherboard. One weighty problem solved.
And because it's so organized, look what I found.
Ah, you found my precious photograph. You just made my year. Thank you.
Make that 2 weighty problems solved.